If your HVAC Delta T is lower than 18 degrees Fahrenheit, you gotta pay attention because that low Delta T can seriously mess with your system's efficiency and comfort. Okay, so first off, if you see that Delta T number dropping below 18 degrees, start by checking if your refrigerant level is low, because that's a classic cause. Low refrigerant means your system isn't pulling heat like it should, so get a pro to check and top it off if needed. Next, think about the humidity in your building. If it's super high, it can make your system work overtime and mess with the Delta T. Also, consider if there's a crazy heat load, like too many people or machines pumping out heat, because that can lower Delta T too. Don't forget to inspect the orifice type too. If the orifice is wrong or clogged, the refrigerant flow gets screwed up and lowers efficiency. Make sure your air filters are clean since dirty filters can restrict airflow and impact Delta T as well. Oh, and double check the fan speed. If the fan's running too fast or slow, it messes with how air moves across the coils. Finally, keep an eye on the thermostat settings because weird temp settings can throw off your system's balance. One of the biggest mistakes with HVAC Delta T issues is ignoring low refrigerant signs. This just drags down cooling performance and wastes energy, so call a technician to fix leaks and recharge the system right away. Another common problem is not addressing high indoor humidity, which can make your AC work harder than it needs to. Running a dehumidifier or improving ventilation can help fix that. Lastly, people often overlook incorrect orifice size or blockage, which messes with refrigerant flow and cuts down efficiency. Replacing or cleaning the orifice can solve this fast. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without stressing over who to call. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their services, making it easier to get work done right.